Yeehaw, Yamcha! How? So, I thought it was a beautiful day. Go up into the beautiful Adelaide hills and have a picnic in the Mount Lofty Botanic Gardens, the Mount Lofty Yuan. So quiet, so calm. No. Hen Mei Li. Oh, sorry. Very beautiful, but also Hen Mang. Very busy. Bei Shang Mang. Very, very busy. See all these cars? There's a queue of cars that are coming in, and this car park has just been opened up, and there's another car park up there that is absolutely cram-packed, and it looks like we are sharing the Mount Lofty Botanic Gardens with the entire population of Adelaide. So let's check this out. I gong you chan shit sheepin.
I just want chicken.
I love picnic food. How about you?
Me too.
Yeah.
I
So do these wasps though. Oh my god. Hey, dude. Time for a walk. There's nothing quite like the colours of Chioji, the colours of autumn. So beautiful. Looser. It's looser everywhere. It's green. Wow. Sir. Purple. The colour purple. Huang Se. That's yellow. Chang Huang. That's orange. That means it's time to go home. See ya.